Hey everybody, today we are going to be taking a look at an affordable cell phone gimbal, the Mini MX by Moza. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let's get started. So as you guys know, we like to start off with a little bit of context to the product and show off a little bit of its capabilities before we really get into the meat of things. What's really awesome about the Moza Mini MX is the cell phone usage. What's crazy about cell phones nowadays is you can make an entire feature film. In fact, I know of a couple of friends who are going to be doing that soon to make a movie, and I'm definitely going to be suggesting to them a product like this. This is the Moza Mini MX. This is the gimbal itself. It comes with a tripod and a charging cable. Unfolding the Moza Mini MX is extremely simple. It comes with locks in order to kind of place your phone when it comes down to it. Alright everybody, it's actually later on in the day. To give a little bit of context, the video that I was recording earlier, for some reason when I was recording it just kind of stopped. That being said, we were just showing off how to unfold the gimbal. This is how it's going to look when it is on the product. It moves around very simply with a 3-axis. You hit the button right here in order to bring it back to where it needs to go. Where you're really going to see a lot of amazingness when it comes to this product is going to be in the app. And VoiceOver Nick is about to take you there right now. Alright everybody, so now that we are in the app, it is just as simple as tapping the Bluetooth sign and you are going to be connected to your device. In a bit of a more in-depth look at the product, Johnny Woo and I were trying to get the hand gesturing to work, and it worked with ease here. It's just a simple peace sign in order to get your video to start and a hand sign to stop. I will leave the video in the description. It's very funny at times when we're trying to get things to work. That said, it's a more in-depth look at the product itself. We're going to be looking at this part of the video a bit more later on. This is the preset section of the app, and it's really cool. You get to see a lot of different and useful tricks, but they're around 3 seconds long each, 3 to 5, but I really like this. I think that if you're looking for some form of a creative flair, this type of video might actually help you out, and it works really well. The settings wheel down at the bottom is going to give you a bunch of useful things when it comes to the actual functionality of shooting. There is a lot of stuff when it comes to manually being able to expose your camera and such, and it's definitely useful when it comes to shooting. Object tracking is something of ease when it comes to the Moza Mini MX. You just trace yourself in the app, and it's as simple as just walking around. It does lose me at one point, but it's definitely a feature that I enjoy very much. And lastly, here is one of the presets that we were talking about earlier. These are pretty cool. I really do enjoy using these. They're only about 3 seconds long, and I think that they're in the very early stages of creating them for the app, but they can create some incredible videos. I was able to find one that was basically a solo one, something I could set up myself since I was kind of riding solo for this video, but it's just a really cool thing to do, and I really enjoy it. The following of what you're going to see is going to be the video that I shot and just a little bit of walking around the backyard in order to show the capabilities of the gimbal. In the end, would I recommend this product? Absolutely. It's a different style of cell phone gimbal that I have seen, and I find that to be really interesting. I found a lot of usage in holding it like this, even more stabilization for your money. You can find the Moza Mini MX on the Goodson website for $89. Thank you everybody for watching. Please consider leaving a like, a comment, and to subscribe. We want to say thank you so much for all the support on all the Troubadour projects, including Ray's Liver and Onions. Thank you so much everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.